Alright guys, we just got to the last unit. They said we could look at it. These are in the gallery area if you live in Houston. And we're just gonna look at the unit just like we said we did the other one. It's already the end of the day. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's go. Alright guys, my phone is on 9%. Good thing we're at the last unit. The pool low-key looks like the first one we toured today, right?
Which one did you choose?
The green one, right? We should have put names because now we're starting to forget the. Yo guys, this is the last one. We cranked them out, man. 3 hours. We did 3 tours in 2 hours, thankfully. But we're just waiting, gonna give them our Ds, and then we should be able to see the unit. And then we gotta get food because we've been driving around all day.
Not all day, 2 hours.
Oh, I felt like all day.
We've been sleeping all day.
We've been sleeping all day, but we're still productive. We still woke up early. We woke up early to take it. So if y'all don't know, I actually woke up like at 9, and then I went to go pick up Rosa, and then we came home just to sleep. That's it.
Well, he woke up earlier than me, but I woke up at 2:30.
And then we started, like legit. She had like 10-15 minutes after you got out of bed, and then we just started touring. But hopefully we get in here fast. So how many square feet is this one? This one's huge. 1,300? Wow. Alright, let's turn on the lights. Washer and dryer, full size. Is this a closet? Oh, okay. Coat closet. Nice and open. Dang, I could already see the couch and TV in here. Big old patio. You can see the pond. Dang. Sheesh. Take the dog out. Wow. I like the island. Can we turn on the lights? Turn on those over there. Alright, there's with the lights on. Yeah, they need to be changed to white. We'll do that. I like it too. It's nice and simple. And nice pantry. Big pantry. I like the high ceilings. Really, really high. Let's go to this room first. Master bedroom, right? Floor to ceiling windows. Wow. It's like open, but we still have privacy because of the trees and stuff. Dang. I like these doors too. Boom. Standing shower, check. Tub. Big closet. Shoes. This one is nice. No double sinks. Oh man. Another little closet. Damn, we haven't even seen the whole thing. So the next room, restroom. Simple. It works. AC thing. Closet. The other room. Decent closet. Average. Little view. Dang, this one made it a little harder to pick from. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna look at 2 more units. We're gonna look at a 1-bedroom and another 2-bedroom. So this is the 2-bedroom, right?
This is a 2-bedroom.
Alright, just wash and dry in there. A little closet. Another closet. Wow. This is a 2-bedroom? Dang. So a nice open area. It does have a balcony too, or it doesn't?
It has a balcony, but not
Not a. Okay. Cool.
This
Cool.
one's a patio. The upstairs ones would have
A balcony. Okay.
These doors. These doors are weird.
That's all right.
Should be. As a matter of fact, it might. Yep. That's a lot.
Well, good thing they're locked, so nobody gets in here. But the other ones are they just have the little patio thing.
You would have the floor to ceiling windows as well, by the way.
Floor to ceiling windows. Okay.
And the finishes would be pretty much like this.
All right, let's see the guests. Yeah.
That one right there is the master.
Oh, this is the master? Oh yeah, the restroom's connected, my bad. This is a king size bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're getting a king for sure.
So it's not that small.
Yeah, it works. Closet.
I like this.
I'm sorry. Oh
I
shoot.
like this restroom better.
Yeah? And this one, would it be 2.3 as well?
You see the price on it real quick.
All right, yeah, we'll go look at the other room while we do that. Oh, remember the little thing had this too? The other one that we saw?
Oh yeah, the wine thing?
Yeah.
The wine fridge.
So the price on this one is $2,390.
Okay. This one got a connected thing too. Nice big
Doesn't
bed.
this feel bigger? This room?
It does. It feels like the master's on this side.
And they have a shower too. This could be the master.
Could be. All right. I like this. Cool. The one above has all these windows too? Yeah? All right, cool. All right, guys. This is the one bedroom. We really were looking for two, but this was really big. That is cool. I like how the windows are to the patio.
Oh my restroom.
Two sinks, but they look weirdly placed.
Yeah, it should have been one.
Yeah. Closet. Standing shower. If y'all hear me breathing hard, man, I'm not used to wearing masks.
Should be another room.
It really could. This thing is huge.
Should fit a twin size bed in
Who do you want to put in here? What?
here.
Then all this space. You want to see the bucket? Sheesh. Hell yeah. What I like too is it's not like deep inside over there, so you can still really get out if you need to go somewhere quick. Yeah. Yeah. How you feel about the one bedroom?
It's big.
It's big. So just,
Most one bedrooms are less than 1,000.
yeah.
What do you guys think of this one?
It's a lot of space. I do like the one bedroom. All right, one more walkthrough for the one bedroom. Floor to ceiling in the room. Big room.
Big.
Shit, we could have two different beds if we wanted to. Oh, you would put the bed right here in the middle? Oh, vanity right there. So you'll always have good natural light. Dang. This is gonna be tough, very tough. We actually were not gonna tour anymore today, but I'm glad we came to this one.
So you work here? You know the password?
Golf virtual room. Fudge. Can we open this? What is it? Golf room? Oh, there's a gym over there. All right, we're gonna go look at the gym next, guys. He actually, he had enough time to show us the amenities. Dang, it is 2 floors, like you said. Look, studio over there, bottom right there. Ah, dang, and then this, still the pond here. Is it poker room? Oh, poker room. Dang. Do you know how to play poker? No, me neither.
Right over there, there's a fully equipped massage room. So if you do have any masseuse coming over, you can reserve the room, and we can bring them over to you.
Perfect. They got a designated spot, spinning room. And then you said that the bottom club room. Wow. This is dope. Straight to the pond. The lake, my bad. My bad.
You guys have any pets?
We're gonna get one. We're gonna get one. Yeah.
So, I mean, you can go ahead and bring your pet over right over there.
Over there?
So little pet right here.
What?
You missed it.
What happened?
He was running.
Kind of gets you. Area where you can bring friends, cook outside.
Oh, a little sitting area. I see it over there. Dang.
Nice little area where you can walk your dog.
This is interesting. Alright, fitness center. The gym. Everything we need. Yeah. Or a lot of fitness centers don't have this thing, so you could like do bench and squat and stuff. This checks all the boxes for the gym. Yeah? Muy bien.
Hi guys, so we just got done touring the last ones for today.
Last one for today, guys.
To be honest, these might be like the third ones. Like, they're not that well, actually, do you think they're expensive?
2.3, almost 4.
Yeah.
2.4.
So they might be top 3.
Top 3?
Yeah.
Any-
The Medmain one, I liked. High Bank and these. Yeah. The
These are
rest,
different.
yeah, they're kind of like antique and modern at the same time.
Yeah.
And I
But
don't
the
think-
one thing that I will say is I did not like Galleria area once we started staying here. But like Rosa said, it is really close to everything.
Everything is like 10 minutes away.
And the one thing that I like about this unit, why I would move here, is because it's at the edge of the Galleria.
Yeah.
So we're not.
I think they're expensive not because of the actual apartments, but because of the like everything
area?
around it. Yeah.
That makes sense. But this is gonna be a hard decision, guys. I'm glad we toured. We weren't gonna tour. I did like legit. We had one toured.
To be honest, I didn't have any favorites except for the High Bank. So if we wouldn't have toured today, I'd say the High Bank. But now I'm like,
Definitely
it's
learned
hard.
to tour.
Yeah.
So but right now we gave y'all our top 3. I agree with Rosa's top 3. Whoa. Yeah, I agree with Rosa's top 3. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the series. If you haven't yet.
And we're gonna go furniture shopping later on. So that's gonna be another
And I'll give you another surprise. I'm gonna be extending my stay till Saturday.
The day he was supposed to leave, I was supposed to be in school, so I wouldn't have been able to see him. So he's staying until Saturday.
And I want to be here to like submit the applications and everything. I don't think I'll have enough because we're still gonna tour tomorrow, so we don't even know. I haven't submitted any applications yet. So we're gonna try to do that in the next 3 days. I need to do everything by Friday. Friday, I gotta submit all the applications, pack, and just really get ready to move. Then I go back home and then we'll see what happens. But yo guys, that was the last one for the day. Like I said, we're gonna tour 2 more tomorrow. So go watch the other videos. Comment what you think so far on the journey. Which one's y'all's favorite? But that's at the end of the video, guys. I'm super tired.
Give us your opinions.
Give us your opinions. Go watch other videos.